Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with ads. Display advertising offers a fantastic way to generate passive income from your website. Your earnings are directly influenced by factors such as your website's traffic volume, the specific niche you operate in, and the strategic placement of advertisements. Ad networks simplify this process by automatically serving relevant ads to your audience, making it easy to begin monetizing your content. It's a straightforward path to turning your website into a revenue-generating asset. Choosing the right ad platform is crucial for maximizing your earnings. Google AdSense is a widely used option, offering a vast pool of advertisers and straightforward integration. For contextual advertising, media, Net is a strong contender, while Xterra provides a broad range of ad formats. To truly boost your revenue, consider implementing header bidding. This advanced technique allows multiple advertisers to bid simultaneously for your ad space, driving up competition and ultimately increasing your rates. Optimizing your ad performance involves smart strategies. Placing ads strategically, such as above the fold or within engaging content, significantly increases their visibility and user interaction. Utilizing responsive ad formats ensures your ads look great and function seamlessly across all devices, from desktops to mobile phones. Remember to balance ad density with user experience. Too many ads can deter visitors. Incorporating video and native ad formats often leads to higher engagement and better returns for your efforts. To ensure long-term success, focus on scaling and diversifying your ad revenue. Beyond display ads, explore additional income streams like affiliate marketing or sponsored content. Consistently grow your website traffic through strong SEO and by creating high-quality, engaging content that keeps visitors returning. Regularly analyze performance metrics, such as cost per mille and cost per click, to make informed adjustments. Consider offering premium subscriptions or exclusive content to build a more stable and varied monetization strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.